ብዙዎቻችሁ ከዚህ በፊት ከልጄ ዴዚ ጋራ ላይፍ እየገባን ብዙ ጊዜዎችን አሳልፈናል። በመሀሉ ጊዜ ስለጠፋ ተጠፋፍተናል። አሁን ይኸው ቻናል በእኔም ከፍቼ መጥቻለሁኝ። አንዳንድ ጥያቄዎች ቢኖራ
She said to you, well, I'm saying Amharic as well, okay? So just say
English. No. I want
She told me already. She told me. She said she called you before the live. She told you specifically that it's nothing to do with Alex. Me and my mom had a problem already. That's what we want to talk about, okay? That's what she told you. So she called you before the live, before you even pressed the live. Then, when you guys went on
No,
live,
she didn't.
Yoni, please let me finish one. I'm
Okay,
explaining
telling
everything.
me you don't know nothing about it, right?
I'm just explaining, and you can just.
I know what you explained. I will tell her exactly what's going on.
Did you call Yoni before the live? I called him. It's not about Alex. I want you to concentrate. That me and my mom had
I
a
told
problem.
Yoni,
That's what we're gonna talk about.
I told Yoni, I said, please, when the Idolim, I said, this is about me leaving abuse. It doesn't matter how many years I waited to leave the household. It doesn't matter. You guys all, Yoni, you're lying.
He just said you're lying. He said you're lying.
Leah showed
Okay,
you.
yes.
You guys are speaking. Listen, that's the thing. You guys never listen to the person that lived through the abuse. You guys just want the views. That's all you guys do. And I can't blame you for that.
Did you call him
If you
before the
say
live?
that, why don't you ask me, bringing Alex and your mom,
This is
and
not
you
about
say,
Alex.
oh my God.
Yoni, this is not about Alex.
Didn't you bring Alex on my page?
She came. She found
My
Alex
mom
so she
made
can
it about
apologize.
him.
You didn't or you did?
My mom made it about him.
ሂዳ ተዘፈቀች አይደለ? ሂዳ ተዘፈቀች። ልጄን አፍቃኛለች ልሽ እንኳን ስትላት እኮ አልፈልግም ያለች ሴት እኮ ናት። አልፈልግም። እሺ ይሁን። አንድ ነገር ልንገራችሁ። የደዚህ የህይወት ፈተና የሚጀምረው ከዛሬዋ ቀን ጀምሮ ነው። ዛሬ ፕሮፋይሏን ያጠቆረችው አይደለ? በውስጧ ደግሞ የዘላለም ሀዘንና ጸጸት ተቀብሮ ይኖራታል። የዘላለም ሀዘንና ጸጸት ተቀብሮ ይኖራታል። የእናቷን ሞት ያቺ ቅማላም ራሶች ዘንቢላ ሰካራ የደዚህ እናት
እናቷን አትሳደብ አንተ ዱቄታ። እናትን እየሰደብክ ልጇን አብሬሉን ትላለን። ቆሻሻ ማን ቢያሳድግ ነው? ማን ቢያሳድግ ነው? እናትን እየሰደብክ ከልጅ ጋር አብሬ ሆናለሁ የምትል አንተ ወሮ በላ ዱቄታ። አዎ እናት ለልጇ የምትመኘው መልካም ነገር ነው። እናት ለልጇ ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምትመኘው። እናት እየሰደብክ ከልጅ ጋር ልሁን ትላለህ እንደ አንተ እካክ። ማን አሳድጎ ነው እንደዚህ አይነት ወጠጤ አይደለ እንደ አንተ? አልፈልግሽም ስትላት አልነበር? you were saying that on my page አልፈልጋትም። ዛሬ ምን ተገኝቶ ነው ወድሻለሁ በፍቅር ነው ያለሁት ምናምን የምትል ወሮ በላ? አታስመስል። የልጅቷን ህይወት ለማበላሸት ነው የመጣኸው አንተ። ልጠቅማት አይደለም። ይኸው እናትና ልጅ አጣላ አባላቸው። እናትና ልጅ that's what you did። በአንተ የተነሳ ነው እናትና ልጅ የተጣሉት። አንተ እካክ ባለጌ። ጨዋ ባያሳድግማ ይሄን አታደርገውም ነበር።